Welcome back to Next Gen Drive, your channel for everything futuristic, innovative, and performance-driven in the automotive world. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most intriguing and forward-thinking vehicles of 2026, the Hyundai Nexo. Hyundai has been pushing boundaries for years with its hydrogen fuel cell technology, and the Nexo stands as the flagship of that commitment. The 2026 version is not just an evolution but a refined leap forward in efficiency, style, and driving experience. Let's break down exactly what makes this car special, from its design language to its real-world performance, and a quick look at its cabin experience. The first thing that catches the eye with the 2026 Hyundai Nexo is the bold new exterior styling. Hyundai has given the SUV a more futuristic identity, leaning into sharp lines, a sleek silhouette, and aerodynamic detailing that instantly communicates efficiency and forward motion. At the front, the updated grille is slimmer and more integrated into the body, flanked by ultra-thin LED headlights that run seamlessly into the fenders. The daytime running lights create a striking signature that's instantly recognizable, even from a distance. The hood is sculpted with precise character lines, giving the Nexo a sense of strength while maintaining the clean aesthetic that eco-conscious drivers tend to appreciate. Moving to the side profile, the Nexo presents a dynamic yet elegant stance. The wheel arches are subtly pronounced, housing new lightweight alloy wheels with a geometric design that reduces drag. Flush door handles add to the smoothness of the bodywork, minimizing air resistance while reinforcing the premium feel. The roofline gently slopes towards the rear, creating a coupe-like silhouette while still retaining SUV practicality. Chrome and satin finished accents are carefully placed along the windows and lower panels, giving the Nexo a sophisticated edge. At the rear, Hyundai continues the futuristic theme. The taillights stretch in a full-width LED bar across the hatch, accentuating the Nexo's width and stability. A roof spoiler and integrated diffuser enhance the aerodynamic efficiency while maintaining a sporty aesthetic. The attention to airflow optimization is not just for looks, it directly supports the fuel efficiency and range of this hydrogen-powered SUV. Every angle of the 2026 Nexo has been meticulously designed to strike a balance between modern luxury and sustainable performance. Now let's talk about what lies under the skin, because the performance is where the Nexo really proves its innovation. The 2026 model continues to utilize Hyundai's advanced hydrogen fuel cell system, but with significant improvements over the outgoing generation. It delivers smoother power delivery, faster refueling times, and an extended range that pushes the Nexo into highly competitive territory. Drivers can expect over 420 miles of range on a single hydrogen fill-up, making it one of the most practical zero-emission vehicles available today. Unlike battery electric vehicles, refueling takes only about 5 minutes, giving drivers the convenience of a traditional gas station stop while enjoying the benefits of clean energy. The hydrogen powertrain produces an equivalent of around 180 horsepower, paired with strong torque for quick off-the-line acceleration. While it's not built to be a high-performance sports SUV, the Nexo impresses with its smooth and responsive drive. It handles city traffic effortlessly and remains stable and confident on the highway. Hyundai has tuned the suspension for a comfortable ride, soaking up road imperfections while keeping body roll to a minimum. This balance makes the Nexo ideal for families and commuters who value comfort but still want an engaging drive. Another strong point of the 2026 Nexo is its quietness. Hydrogen powertrains are inherently smooth, and Hyundai has enhanced insulation throughout the cabin to minimize road and wind noise. The result is an almost serene driving environment that rivals luxury SUVs in terms of refinement. Steering is light but precise, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces while still delivering enough feedback to feel connected to the road. When it comes to safety and technology, Hyundai leaves nothing to chance. The 2026 Nexo comes equipped with the latest generation of Hyundai Smart Sense, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane centering, automated parking assist, and an expanded set of driver assistance features powered by AI-based predictive systems. These tools not only add convenience but also enhance overall driver and passenger safety, reflecting Hyundai's vision of a safer, more sustainable mobility future. Inside the cabin, the Nexo delivers a short but impressive story of technology meeting comfort. The interior design continues the futuristic theme with a clean, minimalistic dashboard and eco-friendly materials throughout. Hyundai has focused heavily on sustainability, using recycled plastics, bio-based textiles, and natural fibers wherever possible. The centerpiece is a wide dual-screen setup that merges the digital instrument cluster with a high-resolution infotainment display. The user interface is smooth, intuitive, and highly customizable, giving drivers full control over navigation, media, and real-time vehicle data. The seating offers generous space, with supportive cushioning that makes long journeys pleasant. Rear passengers enjoy ample legroom and headroom thanks to the SUV proportions, and the cargo area is more than adequate for family trips or daily errands. Ambient lighting adds a relaxing atmosphere, while a premium sound system rounds out the in-car experience. Hyundai has also integrated advanced connectivity, with wireless smartphone mirroring, over-the-air updates, and full integration with smart home systems. In summary, the 2026 Hyundai Nexo is more than just a car, it's a statement about where the future of mobility is headed. With its sleek and aerodynamic exterior, hydrogen powertrain that delivers both range and convenience, and a technology-filled interior built from sustainable materials, it proves that eco-friendly vehicles don't have to compromise on style, comfort, or practicality. Hyundai has successfully packaged innovation into a vehicle that feels futuristic yet completely ready for the present. This has been Next Gen Drive, bringing you the most exciting insights into the cars of tomorrow. The 2026 Hyundai Nexo demonstrates that hydrogen power is not just an experiment but a viable, desirable path forward. If you're excited about the future of clean mobility and want to see more reviews like this, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned.